The next step is to route your power cable into the attic. You can either go directly behind the solar panel or take the wire to a nearby vent opening. In this particular demonstration, I'm going to show you how to bring the wire into the side of the building. I see a lot of people make the mistake of bringing the wire directly into the building like this. And what can happen is the water can track the cable and come in, causing damage to the ceiling inside. I'll show you a little different technique. We're going to come down about this far, make it look nice. We'll go center between the vent, push the cable into the hole, into the attic. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a drip line. A drip line is essentially the same thing, but we're going to put a bracket on this wire, and we're going to connect the wire to the wall, and we're going to create a drip line, and I'll show you what that does. Now when the rain hits the wire, it'll drip down to the bottom of this area here and drip down, and none of the water will drip into the attic. When you're finished with this, put some small amount of sealant around this hole, and you'll never ever have any problems with water leaking into your attic. You'll have a very good, very reliable installation. Now that we've located the placement for the solar panel, let's go inside, take a look at the room that we're going to put the Solaro Day in, and we'll go over the installation process. Come on in. This bathroom is an interior bathroom and has no exterior windows, so obviously it's very dark. The client currently has 3 compact fluorescent lights in the fixture. They said when they first moved in, they had 300-watt light bulbs and the room got quite hot. So they switched over to compact fluorescents. They really don't like to have to leave the lights on all day, plus they also don't like the color of the light. As you can see, the client has a single fixture with 3 13-watt compact fluorescent lamps. The primary reason why the client would like to have the Solaro Day is they're looking for more natural light. And that's exactly what the Solaro Day will deliver. Pure, natural light. Let's talk about where we'd like to have the system installed. The client has asked us if we can install it in the center of the room. And that's not a problem for the Solaro Day, because we only use a 3/8" diameter cable to feed the fixture. So it's no problem. We can work around obstacles, we can go through studs, it's not a problem. Let's go ahead and do the installation. All right, let's go ahead and open this up and see what all our parts are. And this is the solar panel. In this part of the kit, we have all the components for the Solaro Day interior light fixture, the mounting bracket to mount the solar panel on the roof, the cable, the installation instructions, and the mounting screws. A special type of box which is designed for retrofit work. This is going to allow us to get kind of creative on how we install the Solaro Day fixture. We have the beautiful patented Solaro Day fixture. The solar panel has been mounted on the roof and the wires sitting on the ceiling directly above us. There are a couple of different methods of getting the wire down through the ceiling. We recommend the use of a new work box, which is included in the kit. What this box will allow us to do is to make approximately a 4-inch diameter hole in the ceiling, reach up and pull the wire down into the room, and then replace the box up in the place where we just made the hole, pull the wire down through here. Gives us a great way to secure the fixture to the ceiling, and a very professional installation. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the center location in the room. It's got 59.5 inches, okay? We mark that. The clients asked for the fixture to be somewhere in the center between here and here. About 36 inches this way, that's just about perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and put the box up there and get that cut out. If there's a stud exactly here where this mark is, we could simply mount the Solaro Day fixture to the stud. To determine whether or not there is a stud, we're simply going to make a hole in the ceiling, and then we'll place a piece of wire. You could use a stud finder. This wire is bent at 2 inches. Place it up in the hole, and we'll turn it around and see if there's anything in its way. In this case, there's nothing in the way, so we're good to go. Okay, I'm going to use the box as my template. The box is The mark I'm going to place on the ceiling is too large. I don't want to cut it that big, so I'm going to cut on the inside of this line to compensate for the inner diameter of the box. And the cable down. Okay, we've got the cable inside of the box. It goes through the side right here, and this is functions as a way to hold the cable, keeping these little claws pointing inwards. And then as you tighten these little screws, the claws will open up outward and tighten up against the drywall. So the box is up there secured nicely. We'll pull the cable down a little bit. And now we'll prepare the ends of the cable to accept the wiring, and we'll hook it up. This is the Solaro Day fixture. It comes in many different sizes. This particular size is our 2200, which means it has 2200 lumens. First thing you want to do is you want to remove the protective plastic wrap, and then take off the dome, and on the inside is a special disc which holds a special patented lighting system, and we'll set that aside. The Solaro Day is equipped with universal mounting holes, which will allow you to first put the screws in the box, and then the fixture simply slides around there, and you secure it to the ceiling. The power, let's put the lens on and see how it looks. It's beautiful. Now that's pure natural light from Solaro Energy. Let's do some light measurements now so you can compare the light output from one 2200 Solaro Day and conventional lighting such as incandescent and compact fluorescent. I'm going to do a test here which basically will show you the light output of the Solaro Day compared to other types of light fixtures. As I showed you in the beginning of the video, we have one fixture with three 13-watt compact fluorescent lamps. If you look down here at the screen, we have a certified calibrated test meter which is indicating how many foot candles of light. And in this particular application we have about 41 foot candles. That's with three 13-watt compact fluorescent lamps. Now we're going to turn on the Solaro Day and let you compare the difference between the three compact fluorescent lamps and one Solaro Day. Okay, we've turned off the compact fluorescent lights and we've turned on the Solaro Day. And as you can see by looking at the monitor, the Solaro Day is now putting out approximately 40 to 41 foot candles. Quite an impressive display of beautiful natural sunlight. What we'll do now is we'll remove the compact fluorescent lamps and we'll replace them with 100-watt incandescent lamps. For the last part of this test, you'll see we have one 100-watt incandescent lamp operating. If you look down at the screen, you'll see we have 17.3, 17.4 foot candles. I'll turn on the other 100-watt lamp, and you'll see that the light meter goes to 38 or 39 foot candles. The purpose of this test is to show you that the Solaro Day can provide as much light as 200 watts of incandescent lights, but do so with no electrical consumption and provide pure natural light. Enjoyed this short instructional video. If you notice from the beginning of this video, we're in a two-story house, and the room that we've just installed this Solaro Day in is on the first floor. Now try doing that with a conventional or tubular skylight. Thanks for watching.